John Boehner says he doesn't have the votes to pass a clean bill that would keep government open. Yet, 198 Democrats would vote for it. Another 21 Republicans say they would too. That's more than the 217 votes needed to pass a bill. That's basic math. The votes are there. And yet so many people are suffering in this ninth day of the GOP shutdown. People like Leo Finn, who'd been scheduled to start a clinical trial at a cancer institute in Boston to battle his liver cancer. But last week he was told he couldn't because of the shutdown. The National Institute of Health has furloughed 73% of its staff. Leo, a father of three, says everyone talks about national parks, but the shutdown of the NIH is starting to affect people's lives and whether someone will survive a disease. Now, Leo's life is on hold. It is time for Speaker Boehner to stop this recklessness. It is wrong. It is shameful. Bring a clean bill up for vote.